Greetings everyone. Today I present to you an educational video on the JackUltraMotive channel. We have my Skyline right here looking all great and glorious right behind me, and I must say that the world out there is a pretty dangerous place, full of dirt and bacteria and grime and many things that could get on your vehicle. So today we are going to add on a layer of shielding from all of that, and I will demonstrate and show you guys the right way to do it, the right products to use, and just the best thing overall for the car. So without further ado, I might as well present to you the products in specific that we are using. So, Tim, you gotta go, go get the products. Go get the products, okay? Paying you 50 bucks here, and you gotta be doing everything that you need to do. Sir, your materials? I see. So, today we are ceramic coating my R32 GTR, and you guys may wonder, what exactly is ceramic coating a car? Well, it is basically protecting it from all layers of dirt and grime that are out there, while also giving it a really glass-like shine throughout, and it can protect your car from anywhere up to 2 to 5 years from anything like that. And today we are using the products of none other than Avalon King. The best of the best out there for ceramic coating. Professionality is key for today's video. This is our prep shampoo. I didn't know cars can have shampoo, and I'm sure you didn't either, but apparently they do, thanks to Avalon King right there. Another bottle of car shampoo. Actually, okay, so this is car shampoo and this is prep shampoo. The difference? I don't know yet, but we will soon find out. Actually, oh, it says right on the back here. Prep shampoo strips away old waxes and sealants, super concentrated for maximum cleaning power, and rinses clean. First step in a full detailing process and gets the job done. And then the car shampoo easily wash away heavy dirt and grime. This is a pH balanced formula. It creates a super slick surface for a scratch-free shine. Anyways, this is the important product of the matter here, the Armored Shield 9. I think I know my Roman numerals. I'm pretty sure. I play Grand Theft Auto, so. This is the likes of unboxing an iPhone or a new watch. It is just so formal and completely fits the environment in which we're trying to do this today. Take that off. Ooh. The instructions, they make it easy for you. And right here, I believe we have one of the softest towels I've ever felt in my entire life. Just look at that. Be jealous of how soft this is. I wish they had 5D touch YouTube viewing technology, but they don't. So all you gotta know is that this is like a baby puppy right now. And it even gets softer. We have a complete microfiber. This is almost like a lens wipe. This is the stuff they use to wipe on like glasses or just like your phone screen if you need it. Voila, our bottle of glory right here. So, the Armored Shield 9, I think it's 9. Gosh, look how fancy this is. They almost fit these things in here too well. Then we have this piece. This honestly looks like it goes along with the packaging here, but no, be aware. This is what you use. This is all that we're gonna really be using today. Let's move over to the piece. Microfiber wash mitt out. I've never had a microfiber wash mitt before. For today, we're gonna focus mainly on this fender right here. This car is half wrap, half paint. Ceramic coating is probably much better for paint, although I'm sure you can use it on wrap as well. We're gonna focus on this. I'm gonna give it a nice little, see how much of my hand I could fit down in here.
It'll probably absorb quite a bit of it, honestly.
Oh, it's going in. We're gonna bring it out. It absorbed the entire thing. Okay, I think that's a little bit much. Just a SpongeBob, we gotta squeeze you back out. These microfibers really soak. Prepping the car is important. Even though it is not the actual ceramic coating procedure, the prep is still really important. You can't just wipe it down with your shirt sleeve. You have to make sure that you fully go in and make everything as clean as can be. So give the GT logo a little scrub right there. There tends to be some dirt and grime that hangs around that, and then want to get down low. This is where most of it may occur, and then not use the same side that I just used to get down low. Use this other side that's clean. Lay that right through there. Be sure not to dent your corner light too much on your 32, especially if there's a Lego piece holding it together right in there. We are going to take our Armored Shield 9 and we're going to take our little whiteboard eraser that they gave us right here. And you're going to take your microfiber cloth and you're just going to put it right over just like that. Like, what do you call it? Raw fish on sushi? Just going to dap it right on there. You'll see it get a little bit moist and wet onto the padding. Makes it look like, you know, you just wet your pants. We have our Armored Shield. We're gonna take a patch of the panel, not the entire panel, just a patch, and remember we're gonna do it. I'll probably start like, it's about like right here of this area, real estate right there on the car, and then we're just gonna go, wipe it through. And I don't know if you guys could see it on the camera, but I could see exactly how it's kind of adding on the ceramic coating. We're gonna cross hatch like that. And then probably go through one more time. And then you just leave it on there for about 5 minutes. We'll come right back. I just want to put in that they make this stuff really easy for actually anyone to use. And yeah, for the sake of our video, we're going in great detail on perfecting everything and going through extreme lengths, but it's actually real easy for any car enthusiast, any hobbyist, or anyone that just wants to simply ceramic coat their car to follow this procedure with everything that they have in their kit. So once it's been 5 minutes, or if you just lose track of time, you can see it's been hazed over onto the paint. We're gonna take the world's softest cloth that they provided for us, and we're just gonna simply wipe it. Wipe it a little bit dry. They really do include everything in this kit that if you were to buy from somewhere else may cost you up to thousands of dollars, so they are saving you guys there, I will say that. That's basically it. Tim, you're gonna demonstrate, you gotta do the rest of the car.
Yes, sir.
As he's doing that, it's probably gonna take some time here to let it sit, and more specifically, you actually have to wait around 48 hours. Was it 48?
Yes, it was 48 hours. That's what you told me.
Holy cow, that's a long time. 48 hours until you'll see actual noticeable differences on it, meaning that you should probably leave it in your garage for a bit right afterwards. So I'm gonna, let him get to it, probably go put on some Netflix or something, and then I'll join you guys in a bit. It's been a fat minute. You guys go get that UltraMotive merch while you're at it. Tim's still over here at work. It is now time, the moment that you guys have all been waiting for, to demonstrate all this effort that we have put in, and let's see what effects we got over here. So bring out the liquid.
Liquid.
You lose it.
Yeah.
Swear to God, this $50 better be worth it. Okay, so this fender's been done for a while. We're gonna just pour it over here. Holy cow, did you even pour it? It doesn't look like there's anything. Poured it. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's still fully dry. It's still
fully dry, yes.
What the actual heck? I mean, shoot, do some more.
I literally got myself wet.
Oh my gosh. Most of it is still all dry. You know what you gotta do? You gotta blow for me. Look at how easy you could just blow the water droplets away. I got a better idea. The Xbox leaf blower. It's simply gonna blow away all of the water. And it's fully dry. So, there's a lot of cool pros about ceramic coating a car. One of which is that if you literally ceramic coat your entire car, just go invest in a leaf blower, and anytime you go to a car wash or you wash it yourself, this is all you need to dry it. You literally don't have to use any hand movements to wipe it down or anything like that. You just spray it all, the water will all come off. You could also ceramic coat your front windshield. Your wipers, they become useless. You don't need them anymore because the water will, as you drive, will just literally drift off of the glass, and it'll kind of keep itself flowing so that it never bubbles up and prevents your visibility. So that's another use out of it, as well as just giving your paint a nice finish and keeping it real clean overall. So if you guys are interested in doing this to your car, I have a link in the description with Avalon King stuff. Go check it out. It's got everything you need and everything covered to basically do all that we did here and give your car that next level magic. They insist that even if you own a Prius, don't drink it. That's some big words right there.